Listen. Speak to me.
We are developing something that's going to excite the sector.
It's fab. It's jam-packed, lots of activity, all the kind of people that I really trust and respect in the space, all in one event. What's not to like?
Cybersecurity, it's a wonderful topic full of doom and gloom. And so my job today is to ensure that you leave sufficiently terrified.
It's no good having amazing services but not knowing what to do if things go wrong.
We have to think about how we're going to teach in this AI revolution.
I think that we are at the beginning of something very exciting.
I'm going to talk about what happens maybe 2 or 3 months after that cyber attack.
We really do keep not just children safe, but also staff, the data and everything else.
If we can teach them though, the techniques, the preparations, the right way to learn, gee whiz, these kids are going to be unstoppable.
7,000 free upgrades. No contract changes, no price increases. We've just upgraded you.
A lot of the schools realise how much they actually get for free included with their LGfL subscriptions.
It's really good. It's really good. Lots of people, lots of good conversations, having a good day.
And it just gets better and better and better. And LGfL, to my mind, is what's been created is the de facto model for educational infrastructure. And it's amazing the amount of people that have tried to do the same, but we're just so far ahead.
I've really enjoyed Dr. Fiona Aubrey-Smith's session this morning, all about PedTech and the role that technology has in really developing pedagogy.
Meeting so many different organisations, lots of different people, we're being so inspired by the great sort of opportunities.
Best conference we've ever been to, genuinely best conference.
Absolutely outstanding day from the Rock Kids at 9 o'clock opening up before John speaking. I've learned so much about AI and ChatGTP. You know, it's been absolutely amazing.
I must say, this is one of the best events of the academic year for me. It's full of energy, inspiration and opportunities to collaborate.
Thank you LGfL, you are amazing. John, thanks for inviting us, bringing us on. We've had the best day and what the company's doing is phenomenal.
No matter what I'm doing, LGfL always seem to be part of that broader conversation. So I would look at them very much as being kind of one of the foundational blocks that we have.
And that's what it's all about, getting the best people together, assembled to focus on positive outcomes for the future.
There's nobody in the world like me. There's nobody in the world like you.